Hey campers, let me introduce to you our Indie Campers trailer. This trailer is perfect when you want to use your own vehicle and don't necessarily want to lug a large RV around town. Come with me to check it out. Starting on the outside of the trailer, you have one storage compartment on each side. You have a convenient staircase to get inside. Let's go take a look. Right inside your door, you'll find your queen-size mattress. Believe it or not, this trailer sleeps 5 people because your dining table converts into a bed as well, along with 2 twin mattresses in the back. This trailer is integrated with a full-size kitchen, with a large refrigerator and freezer, 2-burner stovetop, convection microwave, and cupboards above and below. Provides plenty of storage space. Don't worry about those hot summer days. This unit has a full-size overhead air conditioner. Feel free to open the window for some extra airflow or pull down the curtain for some extra privacy. If you're like me and bring lots of stuff camping with you, you have plenty of storage space.